Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Minecraft toys is probably one of the most sought-after gifts for young adventurers, offering a tangible connection to the beloved blocky world of creativity and exploration that kids adore. These toys aren't just playthings, they are portals to imagination, allowing children to recreate their favorite in-game moments, build their own unique structures, and embark on exciting new quests right in their own homes, fostering a sense of accomplishment and endless fun. Number 5. Paladone Minecraft Creeper Desk Light. Bring the iconic creeper to life with this unique desk light. It features official creeper sounds and illuminates your space with just a press of its head. This light is inspired by the famous creeper from the beloved pixelated game. It's the perfect addition for any Minecraft enthusiast's collection. Use it as a mood light, a desk lamp, or a night light. It's ideal for your office, bedroom, game room, or any space that needs a touch of fun. Looking for a cool and unique gift? This is perfect for anyone who loves gaming, geek culture, and fun, quirky presents. Add an officially licensed piece of Minecraft merchandise to your collection. It's a fantastic way to show your love for pop culture. Measuring just 11 centimeters, 4 inches, this light is easy to place anywhere. It's powered by 3 AAA batteries, making it a convenient addition to your decor. What we like. This light brings the iconic creeper to life with authentic sounds. If you're a fan of Minecraft and want to add a unique, interactive piece to your room, this is for you. It's perfect for creating ambience or as a fun nightlight for any gamer space. What people say. The Minecraft toys are well made and durable, perfect for active play. Kids love the authentic Minecraft designs and characters, bringing the game to life. These toys encourage imaginative play and creativity, allowing children to build and explore their own Minecraft worlds. Number 4. Toylogy Magnetic Blocks Mine World Craft Kits. Enter a world of adventure and treasure with these magnetic blocks. Use your creativity to explore and conquer the challenges within. With endless possibilities, the fun never stops. Experience building like never before. Our blocks use advanced technology to make your creations more vivid and realistic. Play as a warrior and explore a world of diamonds and pretend battles. Designed for toddlers aged 3 and up, these magnetic cubes are easy to stick together, creating sturdy builds. They are safe with rounded edges and a perfect size for little hands. These sensory toys help children learn about magnetic properties and experiment with attraction and repulsion. They are ideal for developing spatial awareness and problem-solving skills. Let your imagination run wild. Build swords, city walls, or magma waterfalls. These magnetic tiles are perfect for flexing creativity and are great for travel or keeping kids entertained. Bring joy to your children with this amazing gift. It's an excellent choice for Christmas, Children's Day, or any occasion for boys and girls aged 3 to 8 and beyond. What we like. These magnetic blocks feature 8 magnets for sturdier builds and vibrant, UV-printed patterns. If you're looking for a magnetic building set that offers more stability and visual appeal, this is a great choice. It's ideal for kids who enjoy creative construction and learning about magnetism. What people say. The Minecraft toys are great for imaginative play, allowing kids to build and create their own worlds. These toys are durable and well-made, standing up to rough play from young children. The characters and blocks are designed to be easily connected, making it simple for small hands to assemble structures. Number 3. Coodoo Magnetic Blocks Magic Portal Building Toy. Get ready for an exciting portal adventure with this 84-piece magnetic block set. Discover 2 distinct worlds, from enchanted forests to fiery volcanic lands, and let your imagination build incredible quests. Say goodbye to frustrating manuals. Our new guide shows exact quantities for each design, ensuring your child can easily replicate every model and feel a true sense of accomplishment. These blocks are designed with 8 magnets for superior stability and are compatible with other popular brands. They feature sealed edges and a durable structure for safe, worry-free play. Experience more than just plain colors. Our blocks use UV technology for vibrant patterns, making them perfect for sensory play. They encourage creativity, problem-solving, and fine motor skills. This set is an ideal gift for kids aged 3 and up, especially those who love exploring and building. It offers endless creative possibilities for solo or group play, perfect for birthdays and holidays. Construct your own adventures with brave knights and elegant princesses in enchanted forests, or brave the lava rivers and dragon-filled lands. The journey awaits. What we like. Embark on exciting adventures with this set's portal theme and dual-world designs. If you want a magnetic building toy that provides clear guidance for successful builds and offers enhanced magnetic strength, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who love imaginative play and achieving a sense of accomplishment. What people say. The Minecraft toys are great for imaginative play, allowing kids to recreate their favorite game scenarios. These toys are durable and well-made, holding up to rough play from children. The characters and accessories are detailed and recognizable, making them appealing to Minecraft fans. Number 2. Treasure X Minecraft Single PK Overworld. Get ready to dive into the overworld with this exciting unboxing experience. Discover a world of adventure right at your fingertips. Inside, you'll find a cool figure and everything you need to start playing. It's a surprise waiting to be revealed. Use the included tool and crafting materials to build your world. You might even find some hidden treasure. Dig through the compound to uncover a special treasure. What will you find in your treasure chest? This is just the beginning of your collection. There are many more adventures to discover with these figures. What we like. This toy offers a multi-layered unboxing experience with hidden figures and treasures. If you're looking for a surprise element and a collectible item that provides excitement with each discovery, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for kids who enjoy the thrill of the unknown and collecting unique characters. What people say. The Minecraft toys are great for imaginative play, allowing kids to recreate their favorite game scenarios. The figures are well made with good attention to detail, capturing the iconic look of Minecraft characters. These toys are durable and hold up well to active play, making them a good value for children. Number 1. GobiDex Magnetic Blocks Building Toys. Dive into a world of dark-themed building fun. This magnetic set lets kids bring their favorite adventure games to life with endless block-style creations. More than just a toy, this set supports STEM learning and develops essential skills. Children can explore shapes, balance, and basic engineering concepts while playing. Enjoy secure magnetic connections that keep creations together. Cleanup is a breeze, making it perfect for everyday play without scattered pieces. Ideal for family time, classrooms, or travel. These portable and engaging pieces provide entertainment for long periods, anywhere you go. Ready for gifting, this set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It includes an idea guide to inspire endless building adventures. What we like. Dive into imaginative worlds with this dark-themed magnetic building set, featuring secure connections for less mess. If you need a versatile toy that encourages STEM learning, is easy to clean up, and portable for on-the-go fun, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for keeping kids engaged during travel or quiet time. What people say. The Minecraft toys are great for imaginative play, allowing kids to build and create their own worlds. The figures are well made and durable, with accurate details that fans of the game will appreciate. These toys encourage problem-solving and strategic thinking as children plan their builds and adventures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.